Well, here we are at the start of the Flying Scotsman, one of the premier rallies, and over 90 cars from the early 1900s to, I suppose, the 1950s. And it's going to be 700 miles in 3 days over some of those beautiful countryside in Great Britain, starting through the Lake District, going over to the borders, and then finally, we hope, all being well, ending up in Gleneagles, which is a lovely place to finish.
David, wearing your other hat as the chairman of Motorsport UK, what do you think of the classic rally scene at the moment, and particularly now the vintage rally scene?
No, you look at modern cars and they do a fantastic job. They're wonderful machines and great to go to work in the morning or from A to B, but they're not much fun, if I'm honest with you. These cars are sensational, and what better way to experience these cars than to go on an event like the Flying Scotsman?
I think the first event we did was in 2009. Philip Young invited me to a pub and we sat in the pub garden, and he, as usual, he had lots of ideas. I've got a great idea for a rally. Why don't we just go from London to Edinburgh? Draw me a route on the map up the spine of England using all the country roads. So I came back with a route on the map and he said, well, you've got to organise it. That looks like a good route.